Margo, simulan mo na. Simulan mo na.
Doon sa agi.
Picture kasi na highlight. Tapos pangaon. Okay.
So, good afternoon everyone. So, to formally begin our ceremony, may I invite everyone. Let us seek guidance and blessings for the success and safety of this project. So, mag-pray po with Anay.
Outside this room and bestow peace and goodwill to all of us. We ask for your wisdom and grace to use our talents for the betterment.
Construction, I would like to warmly welcome all of you to our groundbreaking ceremony today. Thank you for taking the time to join us in this very important milestone of this project. Normally, a groundbreaking ceremony happens before the construction starts. But in our case, medyo na-excite. Para kung sino na-excite, si Ramam nga si Sir o kami, hindi sa Caliber Construction. So that is why the construction already started a little earlier. So today, instead of starting the work, we are officially starting it again. So actually, yan ang pagudlaan, official na start sining project. But
Annalyn B. Horca, the Principal Architect of Caliber Construction.
Good afternoon everyone. I am the architect and the architect of this site development. So I will just give you a quick overview of this project. So sa mga di nakakaalam, this project is a 2,000 square meter private resort development. So this project is project na limon siya para maging relaxation, accommodation, and a gathering. So pag mahuman ini siyang development, you can do all of that here in this private resort. So, and
Siyempre, balik sa ato ko. Hindi ko nagbagaw ko yun.
distinguished guests,
Around dito sa kang baka basura.
Afternoon to everyone. So, thank you so much sa ato contractor. All along, ko na nang Caliber sila pag-pronounce. Caliber Construction. So, British pala siya. Na pressure kami kay you over-deliver. Sini pala na ato groundbreaking again. So, thank you so much. Kami sa husband, maihan na talaga na mag-plan din na project. Actually, way before pa kami mag-asawa. Mag-ano pala kami. Pero, all of a sudden, during pandemic, hindi na kami nag-decide na siguro dapat itutan na ini. Kasi, during the pandemic, nakulong na tanan na tao, di ba? So, pati kami, we try to look for recreation. So, number one talaga ito na kulang dito sa Northern Samar. Sa Manila kasi, damo ang recreation. Pero dito, waray talaga siya. So, naghanap kami sa contractor. So, we're very thankful na gipakilala kami sa Caliber Contractors.
Ano yung director ako ay matampo sa project na wala na disgrasya. Talaga sa tapos, siguro ini, diri ka yung expertise eh. Yung mga safety. Puro infrastructure ako kasi. Puro like up. Kaya masyadong di ko na masyadong na ako na-finish na. Mabawi na rin sa finish.
Oo, sige.
So, thank you for those inspiring words, ma'am, sir.
Peraan. Okay na? Kapalo pa yun eh. First time mag-ground break. Margo, kingoy ka ka. Margo. Dinagkiwan na si Margo. Margo, upayan